This is a silly video taken during a lapse in more important workshop activity. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. My insomnia's going and working overtime. So I've decided to come out into my immaculately placed workshop, what a load of rubbish, and think about some of the next tasks. I was watching a channel called Blondyax the other day, who's setting up, and she's setting up a new workshop in Canada somewhere, and it was so neat and tidy I could hardly bear to watch. This is a fairly classic example of how I work. Everything has a place and everything's in its place. If you believe any of that, I don't know what to say really. It's chaos. But if I tidy up, I'll never find anything ever again. At least that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. What's to be done? I think probably the next operation, apart from working on the left hand cylinder, which I haven't really started much, is to try and decide what to do about this bit of casting that will be the basis of the slide valve for, in this case, the right hand cylinder. I've removed the redundant piece of steel in the middle of the cranks. I've done that left and right, the other one's outside somewhere. So the crank's fine, that's good. And yeah. Tons and tons of junk, but when you need them, they're kind of handy really. Now I'll get back to doing whatever I was doing before this ridiculous excursion.